Hey, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a good day or a good night. Wherever y'all tuning in, I hope y'all just doing well. And today, you see we got some scratches on the wheels. This right here came from when I actually installed them. Well, I didn't install them. My cousin did. He ended up scratching around the whole entire rim down there. So I bought some stuff from Amazon. This stuff right here. And hopefully I got the red for like 12 bucks. It says you put the, I'm gonna keep focus on it. There we go. Direction. They say you put the sand in and stuff, but the scratches ain't that big. Ain't like I hit a curb or nothing like that. So I'm just basically just gonna go around it with the brush. And right now I'm in the shade, so I probably say I'm in the sweet spot for some sun. And yeah, I'm just gonna go around the whole rim, not the whole rim, just around these right here. And hopefully, yeah, this stuff actually works. Okay, so as you can see around the edges, that's the first coat around. So I'm gonna let it dry for a little bit, and hopefully it sets in. I just go in with another coat. You can kind of still see like the white lines in there a little bit. Let's see, focus. There we go. You can see like the white lines. But hopefully, like I said, it'll drop a little bit, settle in, and probably get another coat and see what it look like from there. Okay, so as you can see, far distance, like I said, you really can't notice it. It's kind of focus, yeah. Like I said, you really can't notice it. But I put about 3 coats on there each, on each side, right down through there. And it actually like gonna rain. Well, I know, yeah, it's gonna rain today. So hopefully it dries by then, and hopefully to come back later, probably tomorrow or so, and we'll see how it does against the rain. I ain't gonna like, far as like, rubbing it to like that, cause 9 times out of 10, the only thing you really worry about is rain anyway. So yeah, we're gonna come back later. Hopefully it dries up and kind of blend. By the way, this is for the gloss. They do have some for matte rims. This right here is satin, but satin is more close to glossy than matte in my opinion. So yeah, hopefully, like I said, right now it doesn't look too bad. But hopefully when it dries up, it get more to close to the other color, and like I said, I can live with that. Okay, so you can see we back. Actually did a little bit of raining. Well, actually a lot of raining, because it's right here, I think like 2 days later. As you can see, I'm gonna give you like a frost, so you can be able to tell where the markings at. Now I will say, like I said, that's one right there that I did, but you really can't tell from afar off. But I will say this stuff right here does not rub off. And honestly, I think it's good. Well, I will say I messed up because this right here is satin black, so this right here is like between this is between gloss and matte. I bought the gloss paint, so you can see it got like a little shine to it. So like this right here is the run I got on my brother's truck. See, he ain't got like that shine. So if it was that material, like it would for sure, you wouldn't be able to tell at all. But like I said, if I would have got the matte for this finish right here, so I guess satin is more matte finish than gloss, but even though it's in between, this right here would have been like probably not noticeable at all. So what I recommend this for, I did try the gloss. If you got gloss reels, that's pretty much how it's gonna look. So you can't focus a little bit. Yeah, that's pretty much how it's gonna look. If you got matte, no, if you got like matte or satin black, then I'll go get the matte, because they got matte and they got matte and gloss. So I would say right there, going on right there, like I said, but from far off, like I said, you really can't tell. And it really kind of got me to get the gloss, because you can tell it got a little shine to it. But like I said, overall, if I would have got the matte, it would have been definitely a lot better. So if you got satin black, get the matte. If you got gloss, get the gloss. I think you'll be just fine. There's plenty of pictures on the website. I make sure that when that website on Amazon that they actually got some that scarred up all the way, like they hit a curve and they fixed it up pretty well. Like I say, it ain't no miracle worker, but you should be able to get the
should be able to fill in the cracks pretty good, especially what I had. So if you find the video helpful, I appreciate a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. I do a lot of forward around stuff dealing with the truck and stuff. And yeah, y'all stay safe and y'all have a good one.